Have you ever wondered how ARP spoofing works? Let's dive right in. ARP spoofing, in the simplest terms, is a type of cyber attack. Here, a hacker cleverly sends fake address resolution protocol messages across a local area network. This crafty move results in the hacker's MAC address, linking with the IP address of a legitimate computer or server within the network. So, what happens next? This causes the hacker's MAC address to be associated with the IP of a legitimate device. So, how does ARP spoofing happen? Let's dive right into the mechanics of this crafty cyber trick. The process starts with the attacker firing up an ARP spoofing tool. The tool's IP address is set to match the IP address of the gateway, effectively donning a clever disguise. With the disguise in place, the attacker then sends out fake ARP replies to the unsuspecting target computer. These false replies are designed to trick the target into believing that the attacker's MAC address is the gateway. The target computer, fooled by this charade, begins to send all its traffic to the attacker's MAC address, thinking it's the gateway. Now here's where the real danger lies. Once all traffic from the target device starts flowing through the attacker's computer, the attacker essentially holds the key to the kingdom. They can eavesdrop on all the victim's data, intercepting sensitive information without a hitch. The attacker now has a free pass to eavesdrop on all the victim's data. So, what have we learned about ARP spoofing? In a nutshell, ARP spoofing is a sneaky cyber attack where a hacker fools a computer into thinking that the hacker's MAC address is the gateway. This deception allows the hacker to intercept data flowing to and from the victim's computer. Understanding this concept is crucial in today's digital age, as it's one of the many ways cybercriminals can compromise your online safety. Being aware of ARP spoofing is the first step to protect yourself from this type of cyber attack. Stay safe in the digital world. Thank you for watching our video on ARP spoofing. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. It's your feedback that helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. We're committed to helping you stay safe in the digital world by explaining complex cybersecurity concepts in an easy-to-understand manner. And don't miss out on any of our videos. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new one. Stay safe and keep learning. See you in the next video.